Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Anudip Foundation klub penlong ke Jinghikai be Shisngi yaki Nonghikai lingba ki Buit be Thymmai de Jinghikai bag State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya. Lingba ke Jinghikai da pensungo tu yaki Nonghikai yaki Buit be Thymmai kat kum ke jog jong ka spas nam ka baat phowe badigila Jinghikai ke belong kat kum ka thong bela pruit dak da ke NCERT curriculum badaka National Education Policy. Ya kini ke Jinghikai ke Shisngi la penlong ha youth hostel Shillong ha khat pratik leber artar pausan.
Hi, my name is Shom Chatterjee and I'm from Anudip Foundation. Anudip Foundation for Social Welfare is a social organization that works for the education of the youth and the children, and the idea is to help the youth get gainful employment and also to help students and teachers from schools to learn 21st century skills in the modern world. That's our objective. And with Meghalaya, with the Samagra Shiksha and State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, we have signed an MOU which has been signed by the State Project Director, Mr. Swapnil Tape. And we are glad, we are happy for the opportunity to work with the Meghalaya government schools, teachers of the schools, especially those who teach vocational education. And the idea is to train the teachers on different methodologies of the 21st century by which students learn better. How we see it as we go out into the world, we see that the whole education pattern is changing. Now the focus is more on making education more applicable, more real, more engaging, and that's also the mandate from the NEP. So the education policy today of the central government also says that any form of education has to be practically applicable and has to engage the learner, has to have a lot of interactivity built into it. So at Anudip Foundation, what we are trying to do with Meghalaya vocational teachers is that we are trying to give them tools, we are trying to give them methodologies by which they can make their classes more engaging and more interactive, by which students learn better and students learn faster, and they are also able to apply their learnings in the marketplace. That really is the objective of this entire initiative.
Mengadai Syarikarani, State Coordinator for Vocational Education, penjaga implementation jangka vocational education lagi secondary and higher secondary school for Meghalaya. Di mentanya nilai assign ke MOU but ke Anudip Foundation kedai not for profit. So there is no financial element involved here. So kini ki penikai bagi kuaban integrate dekat 21st century skill bagi school. Ban integrate technology with learning. We are piloting with 23 school, Apulai 3 school, which include the district Napo East, Napo West, Khasi, but Napo Garo Hills route. They can penikai ki teachers kuno bagi technology through technology ngilaban penikai ki subject ikna. They can ai ki donation ki system for school. And the pilot shop kini dah long successful ke program tingin na jabor ki school.